So the award was for advanced manufacturing in a range of sectors: aerospace, energy, pharmaceuticals, photonics. So Strathclyde has been creating 2 innovation districts over the past decade, and at the heart of each of them has been advanced manufacturing, working closely with industry. So fundamental research around materials, manufacturing processes, Industry 4.0, and then working closely with industry to translate what we do into new products, services and processes.
I'm a great believer, and we as a university are great believers in our students learning from industry and industry learning from our students. And I think that getting universities and places of learning closer to industry and commerce and so on, I think is very, very important for the future. So this is an amazing occasion.
Fantastic recognition, I think, of the achievements that have been made and that have been made possible working together, collaborating across the academic community with their industry partners, and of course with the support of the university and that vision to be a place of useful learning and make sure that the work that we're doing can deliver, in our case, work in the pharmaceuticals area, better medicines faster to patients, more sustainably. So it's a fantastic recognition, I think, of the effort and investment of time and creativity that we've had from all of our partners against that vision.